Brooksaw Antiques here. Today we have this 1923 Underwood No.5 antique desktop typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Up top is the adjustable paper guide. This helps you guide the page in straight, and I like to line it up with this left paper finger, and it's also adjustable. You just got to make sure that the paper fingers are right on the edge of the page so it feeds it properly. And see how it threads through? This one's a little too close, and the margins are located up front here. I'm gonna set this one close to 0 and this one on the edge. They have to be in between those paper fingers or else it'll type over them. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, get you back to the beginning. Skips 1, 2, or 3. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, there's a switch right here. It skips 2, one more, it skips 3. We're gonna keep it on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Absolutely beautiful typing machine. They do not make them like this anymore. This is one of the most popular typewriters of all time. This model, along with the 3, 4, and 6, dominated the market for over 30 years. Over 100 years old, and still types like better than any typewriter you will find. Super reliable, super clean. Unbelievable condition. The keys look brand new. To pull the page out easier, there's a switch on the right side here. You just flip that down and unlock the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easier. Load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that up before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the right. To clear that, just hit that left shift button. Backspace on the top left works good. The tab on the top right. Tabs are manually set in the back here, and you just move these little tabs into the teeth, and it's got a scale to tell you exactly what space you're on. And when you hit the tab button, it'll stop at each one of those. So you push the tab from the front. This lets you see how it works. It stops at each one of those till the end of the margin. That works good. Try it from the front. And we're getting stuck on that paper finger, so you got to be careful where you set those so you don't get stuck on that. They just got to be in between it, just like the margins. All right, on this side we got the ribbon ratchet, and it's also the ribbon reverse control. So it's pushed in right now, so it's pulling to the left side. All the brand new ribbon is loaded on this right side. But if you wanted to switch directions, you just pull it out like this, and you can wind it and it pulls to the right. We do want to keep it pulling to the left, so we pushed it in. Carriage release on each side. Very, very smooth. Very impressive typewriter to be in this condition after 100 years old. The carriage release on this one is in front, above it. Very good. And if you pull this knob out here and turn the knob, it disables the spacing, so you can get to an exact spot on the page. When you push it in, you get those clicks. Each one of those clicks is a space, and the same concept when you flip that lever up, it'll disable the spacing as well. That works good. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.